Doesn't that look pretty? Yep. So that's a bone-in turkey breast. I removed the skin and I applied Hardcore Carnivore's turkey seasoning right here. That's a pretty good seasoning right there. I had it at my brother-in-law's house. He used it on a turkey. It was fantastic. I enjoyed it. So I had to buy it. So I bought it. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it ride. I'm gonna get my Bronco up to 250, keep it there, my magic number, you know that. But yeah, we'll see how long it takes, and just take it easy, have a good time. Nice weather right now. It's been windy because it's been raining, thunderstorming today, but I'm enjoying the weather right now because we're cooking. That's what it's all about. So let's get to it. Just below 250. So just if you're wondering, wide open, around the one. Yeah, look at that. That's nice. You see the rub. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that close-up view. I could just rip that part off right there and just eat it. Yeah, you can tell I'm getting hungry. And that's what charcoal is so far. Yeah, and if you're wondering, it's just about an hour. So it's not done yet. But ain't that beauty? Look at that. As I say, you gotta hang your meats. Hang your meats. If you can, hang them. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Just hang them. That's what the Bronco's for. Look at that. Look at that shot. There she is. Oh, the sun's starting to go down. I'm out here relaxing. I'm on my second brew, just taking it easy. Neighbors out here enjoying the music. They're also cooking. That house right there. It's a good day, good time right now. It's no longer windy, so I'm just enjoying the time. Kick the shoes off. Gotta relax. It's your time when you're out here. Just take it easy. Alright, where are we at? Just above 250. It's the same. And I'll show y'all this just so I can get a insight of what the stacks are at. But let's check it out. This is 2 hours in. So I'm suspecting that it's gotta be close to at least 150. What do y'all think? Am I right? Am I wrong? If I'm wrong, I'll owe y'all a beer. How about that? But we're gonna attempt it. Yeah, 154, 155. All right, so yeah, so we're getting there. Stop rocking. But that's what the briquettes look like. Beautiful. I mean, this Bronco's just been steady, just cooking. Just steady cooking. I don't know, I'm thinking of glazing it up with some Texas pepper jelly or hitting it with some butter. All right, we'll see. We'll see. I kind of want to just taste the rub on there, but we'll see. We'll see. You know, this is my cook. I do what I want with it. Your cook, do what you want to do with it. But yeah. So after 2 hours, we're at 155. So let's give it another 30 minutes. All right, so I have another beer to try. It's called America Beer. That's right, America Beer. It's a premium Pilsner. Well, America. I guess, is this the beer of America? I don't know. Let's find out. It's not bad at all. Not bad. It's brewed at and packaged at Alamo Beer Co. in San Antonio, Texas. So America beer. If you get a chance, I guess check it out. It's not bad if you're into Pilsner. If you like those beers, it's not bad at all. Has a good taste, good aftertaste. So America is a gift, right? All right, I got some sausage right here. I'm gonna add it just like that. See, if you can hang whatever meat you can, just hang it. Don't be scared. Looking good. Look at that. Beautiful. I just got to get you some more shots of it. Bam. All right. Well, there it is. So, sausage won't take too long. All right. It's dark, so let's get some light. But let's check it out. Sausage is getting there. Yeah. Look at that breast. Yeah, so what do you think? What do you think it's at right now? Let's see. Six, 3, 4. Yep. So is that the number right there? Take it off. I think so. But I'm gonna leave it for a few more minutes. Just keep it in there. Yeah. Look at that. It is beautiful. But yeah, that's it. The sausage needs just a little bit more. It's pumping up. It's getting there. But I'm gonna let this go for a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take it off. I'm not gonna go ahead and glaze of Texas pepper jelly or no butter plastered on there. I'm gonna eat it like that. I want to taste that rub. So yeah, so let's close it up. There's the briquettes, wood chunks. So steady going. Because Bronco's a beast. Look at that house right there. They've been in the Christmas spirit. Every year the house is decorated just this way. They always win the decoration for house here in the neighborhood. It's up close. I mean, if you were here, it's a lot beautiful compared to what you see now. But they're in the Christmas spirit. All right, let's get it off. What do you think? Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's gonna come off as well. Sausage. Who wants some sausage? Look at that. Beautiful. All right. I'm gonna let it chill for a bit. I'm gonna flash right into it. All right. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. All right, let's eat. Gotta say, smells good. tastes good. Man. That is delicious. This is a bomb. So the Bronco, the Bronco did all the hard work while I took it easy. But yeah, bone-in turkey breast, hung it, removed the heat diffuser plate, B&B chocolate briquettes, pecan wood chunks, hardcore carnivore, fried turkey seasoning. Bronco at 250, 2.5 hours of cook time. And you get delicious food. Oh, I'm hungry. But let's into it. We got the Bronco. Hang your meat. Whatever meat you got, if you can hang it. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna come out better than laying it on the cooking grate. Trust me. It is. It really is. And that's the whole point of the Bronco, is that you can do that while other drum smokers can't. Some can, some can't. But this can do it all. So go out and do that, and you can smoke yourself some delicious food. Well, I gotta go inside. I'm hungry. As you tell, I grew up with all that right there. So as always, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Have a happy new year. Hope you had a great Christmas. See you in 2025.